What's up everybody, welcome to my channel, Alpha as Foxtrot. Today we're going to be going over the new DJI Mavic Mini 2 and doing just a little review on it. I drop a new video like this every single week, so go ahead and smash that subscribe button and turn your notifications on. You don't want to miss it. Let's get started. Alright guys, so this is the drone. Really lightweight. That's why I like it. I love that it's lightweight. It's like, honestly, it's like a couple Oreos. So on the drone it has the gimbal protector. That's what this is. The gimbal, if you don't know what a gimbal is, for instance, if it's really windy and the drone is like this, it's pushing it, the gimbal will level it out. Your footage will be extremely steady and buttery smooth, honestly. It makes one hell of a difference with this gimbal. So this is the gimbal protector, and then to get this off, there's a little button right here. You put your finger here and here, and then you lift up like that. This is the gimbal, guys. It's like a little robot. The arms, the tops go out first. So the tops go out like this, and then the bottoms. If you try doing it opposite, it's gonna get stuck. For instance, if you try doing the bottoms first, okay, the arm of the top gets stuck. You can't put it out. So you have to do top, bottom. And when you close it, it's the opposite. Say you're done flying and you're ready to put it away, bottom, top. So bottom, top. Battery life on this thing is here. You check it like this. One click. All the lights means that it's fully charged. If you want to turn this thing on and power it up, you click it. You click once and then hold it, just like the remote. Click once, hold it. Pretty cool. Has the light in the front, the lights in the back. You also can change those colors in the app, guys. So let's fire this thing up. Now you gotta download the DJI app. It's called DJI Fly. But once you get it, and see, one thing is crazy is it doesn't take off. Like, you can't fly this inside. It like knows the signal, it knows that you're inside, and it like won't let you. Cause watch, see how it says unable to take off? If I click it, GPS signal low. Aircraft unable to auto hover and take off restricted. Move to an environment with adequate light. Move to an environment with adequate light, unlocking takeoff restrictions. So, alright guys, so once you click on the app, it brings you right into this page right here. On this app, it has the Academy in the top right corner where it just shows you like little like classes and things you can, tips and tricks, you can learn stuff. They have like DJI Mini 2 first flight, DJI Mini 2 quick shots, DJI Mini 2 flight editor. It's just little videos and tricks and tips. Most important thing that I think that everybody should know that I did not know is, because for me personally, this is my first drone. It's up in the top left corner. So anytime before you fly, you need to see if you are in a restricted zone. If you're allowed to fly, there's altitude zones. There's so many different zones that I didn't know. And if you do fly in any kind of zone that you're not supposed to be flying in, you're most likely gonna hear about it from some kind of authorities. Because just like how there's land out here, there's literally roads in the sky that the government owns. And in the bottom left-hand corner, guys, where my screen is broken, it shows your videos that you have filmed. So you can click on it and hit play. And it's the ones that have actually saved to the unit instead of like actually not on the card. You understand? So the little SIM card is not in there right now. Alright guys, now I'm going to show you your quick shots. Your quick shots are what's going to be 4 different templates of how the camera utilizes you as a subject to follow you. Basically, you select yourself or whatever you want to film, and whatever you choose, whether it's droney, rocket, circle, or helix, that just determines how the camera moves in the air away from you. Alright guys, in this one I'm going to show you the clip of the droney. The droney is when the camera centers on the subject as the aircraft ascends backwards at an incline. Guys, so the rocket, this is where the camera basically focuses down on you and just ascends straight upward. Alright guys, the circle, this one is really self-explanatory. You select the subject, whatever you want to film, and it just goes in a big circle. And you could choose the distance of how big the perimeter is of the circle. Alright guys, helix is the final one. It's like a circle, except for it spins more inward. Real quick tip guys, you cannot even see your quick shots available templates or anything at all unless you have the SD card in your drone. If you don't have an SD card in your drone, the quick shots won't even come up on your phone. But anyways guys, let's see what this drone can do. 3, 2, 1.
You can tell me where to go, so I don't know, just go with the flow. I go with the flow. I'm falling up, I'm falling down, from the sky and from the ground. Up above just like below, and I don't know where I should go. I'm out of love, but I guess I deserved it. Trying to hide, to pass you by. I'm getting down, feeling fine. I'm light as air, no one can reach me. Lost in a dream, lost in between. Let's keep on flying, let's keep on breathing. I'm falling up.
Anyways guys, that was a video. Just a real quick review on what I think of the DJI Mavic Mini 2. Honestly, I think it's definitely worth buying, especially for the price. You can't beat that price. With the gimbal, with the 4K, it shoots in 4K after everything I showed you guys. Definitely worth it. Not sponsored by them in any means, but I think it's the best. I mean, it's definitely not the best. You can always get better, of course, but for the price range and the quality, you're definitely getting what you paid for. What could have made it better, obviously, is having the sensors on the side. That way it doesn't run into anything, but you get what you get and you don't throw a fit, right? If you're new to the channel, guys, once again, smash that subscribe button, turn your notifications on. I drop a new video every single week and you don't want to miss it. Thank y'all. Take care. Till next time. See ya.